So today I'm going to be showing you a makeup look that I did on model Kelly Fellows. I will leave her Instagram handle in the description box below. This makeup look was inspired by the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk palette. So let's just get into it. Here is a before picture, and this is just a short clip of the makeup after. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this makeup, just keep watching. I always start off by cleansing with the Garnier Micellar water, and then I moisturize with Dermalogica Active Moist. I also always use the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask on lips. And now I'm just priming the eyes with the MAC Paint Pot and the color Paint Relief. So now I'm just going in with the transition color in the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk palette, and I'm just working that into her crease area. And then I'm going in with the darker matte color, and I'm working it into her outer crease area just to create some dimension. And then after that, I am just using the lid shade all over her eyelids. And now I am just cleaning up any sort of fallout with some Garnier Micellar water on a cotton pad. And after that, I'm just going to prime the face with the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I love this to create a glowy finish on the skin. And now I'm just going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I always take my time with foundation because I just want to make sure I work it into the skin really well. I want to make sure I work it back towards the hairline, also down the neck, make sure there's no harsh lines or noticeable brush strokes. And after that, we are just going to put on some of the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer just under the eyes, and also if there is any blemishes that need a little extra help covering, I will put that on those as well. Now we are going in with cream contour. This is RCMA foundation. I love to use this as my cream contour. It works beautifully, and it gives the skin such a natural looking finish. I also use that same cream contour that I used on her face to contour her nose as well. And now I am just using the RCMA Cream Blush Palette. This is the pink shade in that. I don't remember what the color is called, but it's the pink one. I love the RCMA Cream Blush Palette. It is a staple in my kit, and I use it on almost all of my clients. Now I'm just combing up the brows, and then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pro palette to fill in the brows. And then I am just setting the under eyes with a powder so that the concealer doesn't crease. And now I'm just going in with my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer. This is a beautiful bronzer, and if you have not tried it, I highly recommend it. And now I'm just going in with a MAC blush. I don't really remember what color I used. I think I used a couple different ones. I like to mix my blushes together, but it was just like a pinky type color. Now I'm just going in with the Becca Liquid Highlighter in the color Passion. Here I am just using the foundation brush to help blend out any harsh lines with the blush and contour. And then I'm just setting the rest of the face with the RCMA No Color Powder. This is an amazing powder, and it's pretty much all I use these days. And then I am just doing a little bit of light baking. I don't like to bake very heavily, but I have been playing with it more, and I do enjoy the effect that it gives. I feel like it adds brightness where you want to add brightness, and it just kind of helps those areas of makeup stay a little bit better. Then I'm just lightly brushing away the excess powder from the baking. And now we are circling back to the eyes, so I am just re-deepening the crease, any spots that I see that I just want to fix up, and adding a little bit more color to the lids. And then I am just adding an inner corner highlight and also a highlight on the brow bone area. And now we are going to be adding shadow to the under eyes, so I'm just using the same colors that I used in the crease area, so the two matte shades. And I'm also using that darker matte shade to deepen up her lash line area, just to add a little bit more dimension right there. And now we are just finishing off the cheeks. I always like to add just a little bit more blush because I feel like that's one of the first things to fade. And then I'm going in with my Becca highlighting palette. And I'm just placing that on the high points of her cheek, on her forehead, down the center of her nose, chin, just all the places you would usually highlight. And now we are just doing a little bit of mascara. It doesn't need to be too perfect because we are going to be adding lashes. And we're just getting the bottom lash line as well. And now I am just popping on lashes. These are the Ardell Naked Lashes. I don't remember exactly what number or model it was, but the Naked Lashes, I really like that line. If you haven't checked that out yet, you definitely should. And now I'm just doing some finishing powder. This is the Hourglass Dim Light, and this just adds the most beautiful soft glow to the face, and it just finishes off the makeup beautifully. Now for the lips. So I'm just wiping off the excess Laneige lip sleeping mask just so that everything else will apply better. And now I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Cheat Pencil. And then we are going to go in with the Pillow Talk lipstick. I always like to clean up the lip line with a little bit of concealer just because it just finishes off the lips and makes your lipstick application look clean. And now I'm just topping off the lips with the Buxom lip gloss in the color White Russian. And last but not least, setting spray. This is the MAC Fix Plus setting spray. Apparently that wasn't last. I decided to add a little bit of a nude eye pencil in the waterline just to help her eyes look a little bit more bright and awake. This is the MAC Chromographic eye pencil. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. You can follow me on my Instagram at Kelsey Ray Beauty. I want to say a huge thank you to Kelly Fellows for letting me do her makeup for this beautiful makeup look, and also Kenna Wood Photo for taking these beautiful pictures. I always feel so thankful to work with such amazing, talented people. I'm so grateful, so you guys should give them a follow on Instagram, and thank you so much for watching.